What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 camera crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on camera. After clicking on camera, then here you can see the option force stop. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on general management. Now scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.